soaked green gram and rice, chopped onion and coriander, tomato, capsicum, carrot, potato, garlic, green chili and ginger. First saute cumin, some green chili, ginger, garlic and chopped onion till it's golden with along pinch salt. Add your favorite veggies like tomato, potato, carrot, capsicum for color and crunch. Now add mentioned spices along with some salt and toss in soaked green grams along with some water and let it cook. Full nutrition rice is ready and enjoy!